Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to use a basic spreadsheet. So for that, you have to log into your Gmail account. So this is my Gmail account. Click on this icon. You can see Google Apps. You can see all the Google Apps that are available, YouTube, Calendar, etc. Click on Drive. So I have opened my Drive. Here I have I have created a folder called Learnings. You can create your own folder by right clicking. There's a folder option. So let us use the same folder. I'll just have to click on this folder. So this is the folder. It works exactly like how your MS Windows system works. So here I'll just right click and I can create a spreadsheet. Google Sheet. I'll click on Google Sheets. So my basic Google Sheet has opened. I can rename it. So I'll just rename it to basic learnings. So now if you just refresh this drive folder, you can see the spreadsheet. You can access this spreadsheet from here as well for future use. So I have just accessed it. Now, I'll show you some basic functionalities. So suppose I write something. I have written some sentence or something. One, three, four, five. So I'll show you some basic functionalities. Suppose we have to make it bold. So I'll just select this box and all the cells and click on B, that is bold. I can click on I to make it italicized. I can click on the color option. Let us make it red. Now, this is another important functionality. You get all the basic mathematical functions here. Sum. So here you can see sum, average, minimum, maximum, etc. Suppose you can see this sentence or this phrase is going outside the cell. So what we can do is select this cell and then go here. Here you can see text wrapping. So click on text wrapping and click on the middle option. So it has been wrapped around the text. Now we can also make this cell colored. So for that you select whichever cell you want to make colored. Click on this icon and you can select the color you want to. So the color has been changed, right? We can also change the alignment. So for that, click the cells you want to change the alignment for. Here, horizontal alignment. So here you can make the other alignments. So these are some of the basic functionalities. You can also convert them into percentage. Like I've converted into percentage. If you want to get rid of this decimal points, you can just click on this button here, see. Or if you want to have decimal, click on this. There are other complex functionalities like in data. You can create pivot table, which is a very important functionality. You can create filter. Actually, you can create filter from here as well. Suppose this is my first column, and I want to create a filter on that. So I click on first, and here I can create a new filter for view. So I have this filters ready and I can filter whatever I want to. So there are other functionalities I'll explain in my next video tutorials. Thanks guys for watching this video.